Good evening, all of you. And after 1 week, once again I'm going to make a new English conversation video with my spoken students. So first I would like to call Hans. You have to come on the stage.
Good evening, sir.
Very good. Are you coming here daily?
Yes, I'm coming here daily.
Are you living in Noida?
Yes, I'm living in
Are
Noida.
you going to park daily?
No, I'm not going to park daily.
Okay. Are you coming to class daily?
Yes, I'm coming to class daily.
Are you about to speak English?
Yes, I'm about to speak English.
Okay. Are you about to read newspaper?
No, I'm not about to read newspaper.
Are you likely to go to park?
No, I'm not likely to go to park.
Okay, very good. Are you likely to watch movie?
No, I'm not likely to watch movie.
Is she likely to use mobile phones?
Yes, she is likely to use mobile phones.
Okay, very good. Are you able to speak in English?
Yes, I'm able to speak in English.
Are you able to live in Noida?
Yes, I'm able to live in Noida.
Are you able to call him?
Yes, I'm able to call him.
Are you able to make your career?
Yes, I'm able to make my career.
Are you curious to call your mom?
Yes, I'm curious to call my mom.
Very good. Are you playing cricket daily?
No, I'm not playing cricket daily.
Okay. Are you curious to speak English with your friends?
Yes, I'm curious to speak English with my friends.
Okay. Are they coming here daily?
Yes, they are coming here daily.
Okay. Are you sitting in the class right now?
No, I'm not sitting in the class right now.
Are you living in Noida?
Yes, I'm living in Noida.
Are you washing the clothes yourself?
No, I'm not washing my clothes myself.
Okay. Are you likely to play cricket?
Yes, I'm likely to play cricket.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Ansh.
In which class do you study?
I study in 5th class.
Okay. So are you able to speak English?
Yes, I'm able to speak English.
Okay. Thanks to all for coming. You have to take your seat. And, you have seen guys, Ans came on the stage and he spoke very well English to English. And once another students, I would like to invite Sajia.
Good evening, Sachi.
Very good evening. How are you, Sajia?
I am fine, and you?
I'm also good. Are you coming here daily?
Yes, I am coming here daily.
Are you going to park daily?
Yes, I am going to park daily.
Very good. Are you reading newspaper?
Yes, I am reading newspaper.
Do you watch TV daily?
Yes, I watch TV daily.
Very good. Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
Very good. Does your brother scold you?
Yes, my brother is called me.
Very good. Are you living in Noida?
Yes, I am living in Noida.
Okay. Is your mom beating you daily?
Yes, my mom beating me daily.
Your father giving you money?
Yes, my father is giving me money.
Are you taking a bath daily in the morning?
Yes, I am taking a bath daily in the morning.
Very good. Are you speaking English?
Yes, I am speaking in English.
Are you taking a bath daily in the morning?
Yes, I am taking a bath daily in the morning.
Okay, very good. Are you likely to call your friend?
Yes, I am likely to call my friend.
Call my friend. Does your friend talk to you in English?
Yes, my friend talks to me English.
Very good. Okay, thanks so a lot for coming here. And in next round, I would like to call Subham.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm also good. First, you tell me, dear, in which class do you study?
I study in 10th class.
10th class. Okay. What's your goal?
My goal is Indian Navy.
Yeah, you want to join Indian Navy.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, are you coming here daily?
Yes, I am coming here
Are
daily.
you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English.
Are you speaking English?
Yes, I am speaking
Are
English.
you going to school daily?
Yes, I am going to school daily.
Are they coming here daily?
Yes, they are coming here daily.
Are you going to park daily in evening?
Yes, I am going to park daily in evening.
Does he talk to you in English?
Yes, he talks to me in English.
Yesterday, were you absent from the class?
Yes, yesterday I was absent in the class.
The day before yesterday, were you sitting in your shop?
Yes, the day before yesterday I was sitting in my shop.
Okay. What's your ambition?
Ambition is Indian Navy.
Indian Navy. Very good. I think just like we have a 3 type of soldier army in India, just like Air Force, GD and also Navy. But I also accepted, I am also speaking in favor of you, because I also like it to join the Indian Navy, because Navy is I think grateful work for Indians.
Yes.
So I think each person want to be want to join Indian Navy, but you chosen which type of goal. But it is some complicated, but definitely if you work hard, so definitely one day you will get success and you will be good. You will be join Indian Navy. Okay. A long ago, were you not living in Kanpur?
Yes, long ago I was not live in Kanpur.
Does your father scold you sometimes?
Yes, my father scolding me sometimes.
Yes. Does your mother make the food for you?
Yes, my mother makes the food for me.
How many members are there living in with you? How many members are there living with you,
There are 4 members live with me,
including me?
including me.
Very good. Oh, I think. Are you getting up daily in the morning?
Yes, I am getting up daily in the morning.
Yesterday, were you sad?
Yes, yesterday I was sad.
The day before yesterday, were you going to park with your friends?
Yes.
With your school friends?
Yes, the day before yesterday I was going to bike with my school students.
Okay. Do you speak English in the class?
Yes, I speak English in my class.
Okay. So I think you are a spoken student and you study in 10th class, right?
Yes, sir.
So I think why are you learning English? I think according to you, why English is very important in life? What will you say about it?
English is very important for me because
Yeah.
because English
You and all. I repeat.
I won't change my life.
Yeah, definitely. English can change your life.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So thanks a lot for coming here. And you have seen, guys, many students spoke on the stage, and I will make you soon next video for you. So I think, guys, once again I am requesting you that don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this channel. Thanks a lot.